Hey guys, it's Mrs. Weisling. Today we are going to be talking about your science worksheet that you're supposed to complete for Thursday in your week one packet. And it's all about air. So I thought it'd be really fun if I read this aloud, you followed along, and then we completed the worksheet that goes along with it. And if we have time, I will also go and talk about what you need to have done for your ELA. So let's get started. I'll just read this aloud and you can follow along with me, and yeah, we'll go from there. So, air. Air is essential to life, animals, humans, and plants. They need air to survive. It is important to preserve clean air and reduce air pollution. Dirty air that enters the body can cause health problems. We can help keep our air clean by riding bikes, walking, or taking a bus instead of driving places. When driving is necessary, we should carpool to minimize pollution caused by cars. So there's a lot of big words in there. Under this video, would you mind telling me what one of those big words means? So let's take a look at a couple. Could anyone tell me where did it go? What does carpool mean? Does anyone know what carpool means? If you think you know, go ahead and write your answer or say your answer out loud on the below this video. And also pollution. Does anyone know what pollution means? Preserve clean air and reduce air pollution. It doesn't sound good, does it? So if you think you know what it is, let me know. So we are going to fill these bubbles in, and it says up here, air is important for what? Let's go back to the story. And it is essential, which means it's really, really important to life, animals, humans, and plants. Do you think that could go in these 5 bubbles? Life, animals, humans, plants. Let's see if there was another one. Life, animals, humans, and plants. What else could we just say air is important for? It's important for our lungs. It's important to help keep us breathe healthy. So I'm going to just go ahead and write some out. So air is important for life, animals, plants. What else did we say? Life, animals, humans, and plants. Life, animals, plants, humans. And we could also say a specific animal or a specific plant, or it's up to you. I'm going to put trees, even though that's a type of plant. I just got more specific and said it's really important for trees. So go ahead and fill these bubbles in with the stuff that I just typed, or you can make your own, create your own examples. And then right here it says tree leaves give off oxygen, which we need to survive. And we kind of talked about that before in class. Study the leaves on your tree. Then draw and color a diagram of the leaf. Don't pick it. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to go outside. Hopefully it's a little, maybe go in the afternoon, it might be a little warmer, but go outside. You're going to look at a tree and you're going to study and observe the leaf on the tree and draw me a picture of it. And you can add color, you can add paint to it, whatever you want to do, and even take a picture of it and show me on Seesaw. That would be awesome. I'd love to see your leaves. So that is what you need to do for science today. Let's see what you need to do for ELA. Excuse me. So for ELA, it's called Whistle for Willie Day 4. And I'm just going to read this question right here. Do you have a pet? Do you wish you had a pet? Draw a picture of your pet or the pet you wished you had in the box. Label the picture. So below, I want you to draw me a pet that you have or a pet that you wish you had. So it could be a lizard, a snake, a lion, it could be whatever you wanted, as long as you label it, okay? Make sure that you label what its name is, what kind of animal it is, add some color to it. I want these to be really cool. All right, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Also for ELA, in my daily agenda, I added my old YouTube video when we were talking about these sight words. So for today, you need to go back through these. There are 5 different questions and you need to put the correct sight word in the right space. So let's take a look at the first one. When you do something a second time, you do it blank. Would it be again, began, father, boy, or house? That one would be again, right? So you would go ahead, write again right here, and then cross it off. Let's take a look at number 2. When you started something, you blanked it. We already said we already did began, or I'm sorry, again. So is it began, father, boy, or house? When you start something, you blank it. You began it. So go ahead, write began in number 2. And I will let you do 3, 4, and 5 on your own. If you have any questions, let me know, and I can't wait to see all your responses. All right? Yeah, bye. Stay safe, stay happy, have fun, go outside. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye.